Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Notable companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have declared their intention to pay dividends to shareholders. Carreras Limited has advised that the board of directors at a meeting scheduled for August 12, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. Massey Holdings Limited has advised that the board of directors at a meeting scheduled for August 7, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. Blue Power Group Limited has advised that its board of directors at a meeting scheduled for August 8, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. A.S. Bryden and Sons Holding Limited has declared a dividend of US 0.15 cents per share payable on August 15, 2025 to preference shareholders on record as at August 13, 2025. The Development Bank of Jamaica says it will be participating in the 71st staging of the Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show. As part of its involvement, the bank will be showcasing a range of financial solutions and business support services aimed at agro-processors and agro-entrepreneurs. The DBJ says modernizing the agricultural sector is a cornerstone of national development. The sector currently employs about 250,000 people directly and nearly 450,000 when agro-processing is included. It also contributes approximately 9% to Jamaica's gross domestic product. For the trading period ending July 29, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online educational provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 5,112,985 units traded, representing 17.73% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,520,074 units traded, representing 12.21% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,475,146 units traded, representing 8.58% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 29, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $36.38 million purchased and US $52.40 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.11 per dollar, selling the US at $161.33 and buying the US at $159.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.43 per transaction, with selling at $118.17 and buying at $114.74. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.34 in profits, with selling at $216.18 and buying at $208.84. For our credit report tip of the day, if mental health challenges set your finances back, you're not alone and you're not stuck. Whether it was burnout, depression, anxiety, grief, or survival mode, it's time to shift from crisis to correction. Credit doesn't care what you've been through, but your recovery plan should. Rebuilding your credit is not just possible, it's powerful. And you don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start. One action at a time. One small win at a time. Here's some ideas. Create a simple monthly budget aligned with your energy level. Separate needs from wants temporarily and reduce temptation. You can pause impulse spending by using a 24-hour wait before spend rule. When you're building something from nothing and you're moving from recovery to resilience in your financial life, it's time to stop waiting and start pitching. If you're a professional woman over 45 and you're serious about moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, you can't afford to stay silent about your value. Whether you're rebuilding after a setback, launching something new, or leveling up your income, your ability to clearly and confidently ask for support will determine how fast you rise. Your next investor, client, or collaborator is out there, but they need to hear your pitch. Let's get you ready. So here are some ideas. Ask for introductions, not just money. Start with, here's the problem I help solve. And finally, make your first line about what someone gave, not what you need. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.